We're here at AM Hydraulics in Hockley, near the Jewellery Quarter in Birmingham. Now, Cook's the manager has just told us that this is his second VESTA 1300, so he's just invested in this. So not only are we going to find out more about the machine, but why Ward Hi-Tech's purchasing terms are so favourable. Cook's, wow, lots of investment. Now, what's quite interesting about this purchase is you've already got the exact same machine and you're going for it again. Why is that?
Well, we love this machine. As you said, we've got the exact same machine in our other unit. We invested over the last couple of years in a lot of VMCs because we're expanding our business and doing the small components. And what we found with this Hwacheon, it was head and shoulders above another, I won't mention who, but that's why we went for the exact same machine again.
Let's go into that detail though. What is it that is the head and shoulders above the rest then? What is it that it's doing for you?
This particular one, the VESTA 1300B, it's much more rigid. We're machining back-to-back components on this another, and this is far outperforming.
And so why do you keep going back toward Hi-Tech time and time again?
Number of reasons. One is the buy now, pay later scheme. Number two, I love Uncle Alan. The support, massive support, the engineering support, the technical support, phenomenal.
So with the buy now, pay later, let's go back to that one. What is it about those terms that work and benefit you as a company?
Mainly cash flow. You can virtually have a machine for 6 months producing, making you money, and little to no outlay.
And they have machines in stock, don't they? Does that benefit you?
There's another thing about Ward. You need a machine now. Uncle Alan will say, come down, I've got them all here in stock. 2 weeks later, can be at your place producing.
And you mentioned Uncle Alan. Now, that to me shows that you've got a good rapport with the company, and that comes from service. So what is it they're doing right in this area?
In this area, service, every machine breaks down, even new machines. We ring them up, immediate action. They know we're under pressure from our customers. They realise the immense pressure we get as a subcontractor, and they respond. So within a day, you'll get an engineer here fixing the problem.
Brilliant. And let's talk about this machine now. You've already got it, so you know it works and you're really happy with it. So the specification of the machine, what is it that works for you and what is it that stands out from the crowd?
Well, this particular machine, being a small VMC, but it's still got a large sort of working capacity, small footprint, but you've got a nice height under the spindle, allowing us to use the rotary table and a large clamping surface.
And so how do your operators find the machine?
Oh, they love it. It's nice, flexible, nimble machine. You can easily access parts. The operators are used to really large machines that we've got here. And the reason for purchasing this machine, on the large stuff, you could be cutting for hours and the operator's virtually just standing there.
Yes.
So the advantage this gives us now, you'll leave that machine running in the background and hop on here and do smaller components.
Perfect. So all in all, why would you recommend going for this machine and buying from Ward Hi-Tech?
Mainly from Ward, like I said, service, good rapport with the guys, got things in stock, quick delivery, and the buy now, pay later scheme. Like I said, Uncle Alan's got deep pockets. It's a bit tight, but he's got deep pockets.